Grade Basic 3. Welcome to Mathematics Episode 3. I'm sure we're ready. Now we're using Iconic Showers Mathematics Textbook for Primary School, Book 4. Ensure it's close by. Your engagement exercise book, very important, as all writings must and should be done only in your engagement exercise books. Please, when copying during the lessons, press pause and copy. When you're done with the copying, you can play on. Pay attention for proper understanding. God bless you. Last week you were taught measuring length, where we did various conversions of length, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of length. Now in this part 1a, we are looking at measuring words. Now during and at the end of this lesson, you should be able to define weight, state units for measuring weight, recite weight metric table, do exercises involving weight. Now quickly open to page 263 of your mathematics textbook, chapter 24. What is weight? The weight of an object is how heavy or light an object is. The weight of an object is how heavy or light an object is. We have common measurements of weight. We have the milligrams, we have the grams, the kilograms, and tons. Now, let's look at the uses of these various units. The milligrams is used to measure very tiny things like paper, pins, grains of rice, etc. And it's always abbreviated mg. While the grams is used for measuring things like eggs, meat, fish, etc. Now look at your textbook. Grams there is written as grains, so you correct that as grams. And grams can be written using the abbreviation G. Kilograms. Kilogram is used to measure things that can be lifted by people. Kilograms are often written as kg. Do we understand? Now, it's always used to measure things like a bag of rice, a bag of salt, etc. Now, we also have the tons. This is used to measure things that are very heavy, which cannot be carried by people, like truck, lorries, etc. Now, look at this. The weight metric table is very important at this point that you learn and memorize it. So we expect that you recite and memorize the weight metric table, as this will enable solving questions on weight very easy. Now we'll begin. Conversion of milligrams to centigrams and centigrams to milligrams. When you look at the weight metric table, you will notice that 10 milligrams is equals 1 centigram. So therefore, when you're given a milligram to convert to centigram, what you do is you divide the milligram by 10. In the same spirit, when you're given the centigram to convert to milligrams, you multiply by 10. Let's do an example here. Look at this question. It says change 830 milligrams to centigrams. Change 830 milligrams to centigrams. When you're given the milligrams to change to centigrams, you divide by 10, because looking for centigrams always represented as Cg, you do what? You divide the milligrams by 10. And so we'll go ahead. 830 divided by 10, the 0 cancels this. So you're going to be left with 83 centigrams. So we have converted 830 milligrams to centigrams. I hope you understand. Number 2, we'll be changing 83 centigrams to milligrams. 83 centigrams to milligrams. Now we're looking for milligrams. So what we do is we multiply the centigrams by 10. So quickly we'll do 83 times 10. So we'll be having 830 milligrams. So you see, it's as simple as this. We have come to the end of part 1A. So you do this lesson work. Page 264, question 1, you do exercise 1F. Still on page 264, number 2, you do exercise 2E. God bless you.